Hey guys, welcome back to another video on how to crypto. In this video, I will show you how you can download Exodus crypto wallet. Firstly, you need to tap and open up the Play Store or App Store on your device. And there search for Exodus crypto wallet. And then tap on install button. And once you tap on install button, it will get started to download and install to your device. Now the wallet has been downloaded and installed to your device. Now tap on open button to open up the app. And now you can tap on I already have wallet to get logged into your Exodus crypto wallet. And if you don't have your account yet, you can tap on create new wallet and create your Exodus crypto wallet.
How to download Exodus wallet application on your iPhone. Now let's get started. Start by tapping open your app store from your app drawer. In the search box at the top, type in Exodus and search. You'll be able to see the Exodus crypto Bitcoin wallet displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the wallet and you'll be able to see further information about the application. In order to start the downloading process, tap on the Get button in blue. Always make sure to be connected to a strong internet while you are trying to download any kind of an application. Your download might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Give it a few minutes for your download to be done. And finally, after it is done, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in the display. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. How to download Exodus wallet application on your desktop. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in exodus.com and press enter. In the official website of Exodus, click on the download button at the top right corner. This will show you two options. You can download the application for your desktop as well as for your mobile. In today's video, since we are downloading for our desktop, let's go and click on this link right here where it says download Exodus. Once you click on that, an expanded pop-up menu will appear. Select the Windows option in order to download it on your Windows. If you'd like to download it for your Mac, you can click on Download Mac app and so on. Once you click on the option, your installation file will be downloaded at the top right corner, as you can see it right here. Wait until it finishes with the downloading process. How to create Exodus account. In order to open up an account on Exodus, first make sure you've downloaded Exodus wallet application on your device. Once you have it, tap it open. And from the first interface of Exodus, if you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet at the bottom, but if you don't, tap on Get Started. With Exodus wallet, you can receive, send, and exchange crypto by scanning or sharing your unique URL code or address. Go through the information if you want, but if you don't, you can easily tap on the skip button and you'll end up in the wallet page of Exodus. After you reach to the wallet page of Exodus, what you can do is go to the human icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you to your profile. Now, in order to protect your profile, you need to go ahead and back up your phrases so that no one else will be able to get to your funds. Tap on the security option from this page and go to the backup option at the top. Now, it says that never share your secret phrases to anyone, since anyone who has it can access your funds from anywhere. So before viewing your secret phrases, make sure no one is watching. After you tap on view secret phrase, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Press and hold in order to reveal your phrases at the bottom by tapping on this link right here. Simply write down your secret phrases in the correct order on a piece of paper or type it in somewhere safe. Once you're done, go back. Now, you can secure your wallet with a passcode. Simply tap on secure with passcode option and create your password that you would like to use. And now type in the passcode that you would like to set up. Once you do that, confirm your passcode again by typing it again. Once you're done, your security is enabled for your wallet. Your wallet is now secured. You'll be asked to enter your passcode every time you open the app or resume it from the recent category. Tap on continue and that way you'll be able to get started on Exodus. How to log in to Exodus crypto wallet. To log into your Exodus wallet, simply go ahead and open up your Exodus wallet application from your app drawer. Now, you'll be able to see this interface. From the main homepage of Exodus, tap on this little window icon at the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. From the Settings tab, scroll down and tap on Restore Wallet if you want to log in and restore your previous wallet. Now, tap the Continue button. Now, type in your secret phrases that you previously backed up to restore your existing wallet. Type in the first word in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your second word. Make sure to type in the words exactly as it appears on your backup. After you type in your phrases in the correct order, tap on Restore at the bottom and tap on Continue and Restart. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Exodus crypto wallet. How to log into Exodus wallet account on your Android device. In order to log into your Exodus wallet account, first make sure you've downloaded the Exodus wallet application on your Android device. Tap open your application after it is done with the downloading. The first interface of Exodus wallet will look like this. If you'd like to get started by signing up with Exodus since you don't have a wallet, tap on Get Started. But if you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet at the bottom of the screen in order to log in. Now, you can either scan a code from Exodus on another device. You'll need to scan the QR code that you previously saved as a backup, or you can also go to the next option where it says Type Secret Phrase. You'll need to type in your 12-word secret backup phrase in order to log into your account. You can choose any one of these options. Let me go ahead and tap on the Type Secret Phrase option. Now you'll need to type in the phrase in order to restore your existing wallet and log into your account. So type in your phrases one by one without leaving any words behind, and make sure to put them in the correct order. After you're done typing in all of your secret phrases, tap on Restore at the bottom. In the pop-up, select Continue and Restart. After a few seconds, you'll be logged into your Exodus wallet account on your Android device. How to recover your Exodus account. The recovery phrases for your wallet gives you full control over any address and assets in your wallet. So in order to recover your wallet, go tap open your Exodus wallet and tap on I already have a wallet from the first interface. You can go ahead and tap on the Type Secret Phrases option at the bottom. Now type in the recovery phrases by typing all of the words correctly in the right order and tap on Restore. Tap Continue and Restart from the pop-up and you can recover your account just like that. But if you've lost access to your Exodus wallet secret phrases, then remember that you won't be able to recover your wallet and you'll lose all of the access to it. You'll need to create a new wallet. How to back up your Exodus wallet using your desktop. The backup phrases on Exodus wallet is used to restore your wallet and balance on your new device. If you accidentally happen to lose your device or you simply don't have access to the backup phrase, then your Exodus wallet data will be gone forever. So let's go ahead and walk through how you can back up Exodus. Start by opening up the Exodus wallet application. You can also open up the application on your mobile device. Log into your Exodus wallet account. Now from this page, go to the gear icon in the top right corner and click it on. In the backup tab, you'll be able to see two options displayed. One is the Exodus password option and the other is the secret recovery phrase. Click on View Secret Phrase. Go through the information since it's very important. It says that you should not share your secret phrase with anyone, so make sure no one is around before revealing your secret phrase. If anyone knows your secret phrases, then they will be able to access your wallet from anywhere. So make sure no one is around and click on this box right here, I'm in private and understand the risk of showing my secret phrase right here, and click on Show Secret Phrase. You'll need to unlock your wallet. Type in your Exodus password into the text box and click on Unlock Now in order to unlock your wallet. Now you'll be able to view your secret phrases from this page. All of the 12-word phrases are displayed on the screen in numerical order. You can simply write down all the phrases, mouse over to the number in order to reveal the phrase, and write it down in a piece of paper. After you're done with it, click on OK, and there you have completed backing up your recovery phrases. You can also go ahead and change your Exodus wallet's password by clicking on this Reset Password link and follow the instructions. How to change your password for your Exodus wallet account on your desktop. Open up your Exodus wallet application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, go to the settings icon at the top right corner and click it on. From the top toolbar, select Backup and click it on. Now, you have two options displayed on the screen. If you'd like to change your password for your Exodus, click on Reset Password button right where it says Exodus Password. Once you click on that, it asks you to confirm if you'd like to reset your password or not. Simply click on Continue in order to confirm. Now, type in your Exodus password into the text box and click on Unlock Now in order to unlock your wallet. Now, create a password that you'd like to change to for Exodus. After you're done, click Next. Type in your password again into the next page where it says Memorize your password. Click Next. Now you'll need to go ahead and write down your secret recovery phrases that has been displayed on the screen. You can also print it by clicking on this print phrase button and store it somewhere safe. Click on Next after you're done, and now go ahead and check your backup and answer the questions that has been asked to you. Soon after you do that, click on Finish, and there you have changed your password for your Exodus wallet. How to cash out from Exodus wallet. Tap open your Exodus wallet application and you'll end up in the first interface. In this page, all of your tokens are displayed on the screen. In order to cash out from Exodus, go and select any tokens that you'd like to cash out or withdraw. At the top left, tap on the arrow that is pointing away from you. Once you do that, input the amount that you'd like to withdraw. After you're done entering, right where it says tap to paste address, go ahead and paste in your withdrawal address, and finally tap on Send. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to cash out on Exodus. How to find Exodus wallet address. If you'd like to send and receive crypto from Exodus wallet, then you'll need your wallet address. If you'd like to receive a crypto from your friends, then you should send the wallet address to one of your friends and they'll be able to send you money with the help of your wallet address. In order to find your Exodus wallet address, open up your Exodus wallet application and you'll end up in this portfolio page. Scroll all the way down and look for the coins, and at the bottom, all of your coins will be displayed. Click on any one coin. For example, let me go ahead and click on this Ethereum option, and now click on Receive. You'll be able to find your QR code and your wallet address displayed on the screen. Simply click on this copy link right beside it in order to copy your address. Now, you can email this address to your friend or simply give it to one of your friends that you'd like to receive crypto from. How to add Bitcoin to Exodus wallet. Start by tapping open your Exodus wallet application and log into your account. Once you do that, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner, and from this page, right under your profile, tap on Assets. You'll be able to see all of the cryptos that you can add on your wallet. Go to the search box and search for Bitcoin. Make sure that the button right next to the Bitcoin option has been enabled, and once you do that, go back to your portfolio page and you'll be able to see Bitcoin added on your wallet. Now, you can send and receive Bitcoin by tapping on the arrow button at the top right or left side of the screen. How to log out from Exodus on a desktop. Whenever you're done using with Exodus and simply want to close the wallet, you can easily close your Exodus wallet like a regular application by simply clicking on this close button at the top right corner. It is that simple, and every time you open up the wallet, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Simply type in your password into the text field and press enter. Wait for a few seconds, and there you are back to your wallet on Exodus. There are no logout or sign out button on Exodus, so you can simply cross it out. You don't need to worry at all since this button works as a logout button on Exodus. How to uninstall Exodus wallet application on your Android device. If you are done with your Exodus wallet application, since you've deleted your wallet entirely and you'd like to get rid of the application as well from your Android device, the first thing to do is simply go to your app drawer right where the application is displayed and press hold to it for some time. Tap on the uninstall button right from the pop-up displayed on the screen and confirm your selection by tapping on OK from the pop-up. There's another way you can delete the application. You simply go to your settings button from your Android phone, scroll all the way down and tap on the apps option. All of the applications that are displayed are the ones that are installed on your device at the moment. Simply go to the search button at the top and search for Exodus, and once you spot the app, tap it on. Right from the app info page, tap on the uninstall button at the bottom of the screen and then confirm your selection by tapping on OK from the pop-up and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that the application has been deleted from your app drawer. How to uninstall your Exodus wallet application from your iPhone. The easiest way to get rid of the installed application is to simply press hold to it from your app drawer. Once you do that, several menus should pop up. You can either edit your home screen and place the app somewhere you want. You can share the app to one of your friends or family, or simply remove the app. To get rid of the app entirely from your iPhone, tap on the Remove App button, and in the pop-up, simply confirm your selection by tapping on Delete App if you'd like to get rid of the application from your phone. If you'd like to keep it on your iPhone but you'd like to remove it from your home screen, simply tap on Remove from Home Screen. How to delete your Exodus account from your Android device. In order to delete Exodus crypto wallet from your Android device, here's what you should do. Tap open your Exodus wallet application from the app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. Once you are, tap on this window kind of icon at the bottom right, and once you do that, this will open up your dashboard. Tap on the settings from this page, scroll all the way down, and you'll be able to see a button that says Delete Wallet. Tap on that button, and it says that after you delete your wallet, this will remove your wallet completely and all the transaction histories that you've made till date. Tap on Delete Wallet again and confirm your selection by tapping on Delete from the pop-up. Now, your wallet has been deleted. Tap on Restart in order to get to the home page. That is how you can easily get rid of your Exodus wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.